Kyle from Chaparral Motorsports here with Jason from Klim, and here in front of us we have all sorts of different ways to carry tools and gear and things of that nature on your dual sport or dirt bike.
Absolutely. So yeah, let's take a look at what we've got. We got a redesigned, bunch of bags are redesigned for this year, starting over here with the Scramble Pack. We've redesigned it. You can carry your tools in here. You can add some water. There's lots of little compartments and things inside to stow different valuables. But what people like about the kidney belt system is it takes the weight off your shoulders, and you can wear it around here. A lot of racers prefer that method, and guys that ride different styles like to take the weight off the shoulders, off the back, and carry it around the hips. And so this kidney belt style in the Scramble Pack is really popular. Moving over here, we've got a couple colorways of our brand new Nac Pak. So I should say our brand new redesign of the Nac Pak. We had the old one, which was very successful for us. We had that in the market for probably 6 or 7 years. We recently redesigned it. We've got some cool new colorways to go on here. You've got goggle compartments to stow your tools, and lots of different areas in here to put things like hydration, tools, lots of other stuff to carry with you. If I flip it over, one of the cool new things that we've done is this center clip design right here.
Nice.
So it just reorganizes the ergonomics of carrying it. So as we mentioned before over here, this is great for carrying around the kidney. What we've done with the traditional pack system here is went with that one center strap.
Nice.
Got rid of the bulk down below here, make it super stable in all the different riding conditions. So we're excited about the Nac Pak. And finally, just a new colorway of the Arsenal vest. The first one we came out with is doing very, very well for us. You can put lots and lots of storage on this guy. It's kind of like the Apocalypse Pack. You can pretty much put everything in here you need. So we went and did a desert sort of themed colorway on this guy. So we're excited to add this to the Arsenal vest collection. We got a couple gloves here as well I want to talk about with you guys. Oh, what do we got here? The Quench Pack. Thank you. Thanks, Travis. So instead of the fuel pack, we now have what we call the Quench Pack. It comes with a hydro bladder inside 3 liters.
Nice.
And it can connect to the Scramble Pack, so you can actually use these guys together as a system. Get your hydration and your tools and put it all together. Minimal weight across your shoulders, and then carrying all the bulk of the weight down around your waist. So it's a really, really cool system to put together. So it's got that center clasp as well. Okay guys, what I've got right here is the brand new redesigned Dakar Pro Glove. And so we got this, basically it's got some pour-on inserts on here. It's a little bit roadworthy for our dual sport focused riders. It's got leather palm with perforations on the inside. Extremely comfortable, great tactile feel. And like our whole swath of gloves that we now have, everything's got multi-touch capability, so you can pinch and zoom and check your location, do the things on your smartphone that you need to do. So great on-worthy protection. Great tactile feel. All right, another cool thing that we're excited about on the hot weather side of things is the Mojave Pro Glove. So the brother to the Dakar Pro Glove for hot weather. You can see the entire leather palm is perforated on the inside here. We've got our pour-on XRD inserts, and of course it is multi-touch, touchscreen capable, and really, really on-road protection worthy, dual sport worthy for hot climates.
So if you're looking to protect your hands out on the trail, give the Dakar Pro and the Mojave Pro a good look. And if you need to carry tools or anything with you out on the trail, these packs will help you get it done. I'm Kyle, this is Jason. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and ride safe.